today's video, I'm super excited to show you this model home style kitchen, but there's a twist. It's actually in a townhome. No, not this one, that was the last one. This one. I'm with Martina, and welcome home. This is a place where you can gather and laugh. It's formal and classic, yet bright and modern. And even on the rainy day, it's filled with color. This is the home for you. Trails, sports, playgrounds. Springfield Oaks is a fun place to be. Plus, living in Springfield brings you close to all the action. So what do you think? Great kitchen and another great home in Springfield Oaks.